So how many of us actually believe that washing clothes at 30 degrees will still get them clean? Well, I took the Brent Climate Change Pledge, and one of the pledges I made was to use the 30-degree cycle on my washing machine. So, some months ago, I only used the 30-degree cycle, and I didn't tell any of the other 7 members of my household that I'd done that. And I waited for them to start complaining that their clothes weren't clean. And to date, nobody has complained that their clothes aren't clean. So, washing at 30 degrees saves you money, saves you time, is better for the environment. And it's something really I wish I'd known a long time ago. Here's my youngest son's rugby shirt, which has only been washed at 30 degrees. And here's my oldest son's rugby shirt. I mean, I always used to look at the labels and wash up to what the label said. I mean, this says wash at 50 degrees. But it's something we have to get out of, because it's not, if you go into a car and it goes up to 120 miles an hour, you don't drive up to 120 miles an hour. So, wash at 30 would have done for my son. We've avoided him having this rather shocking pink collar. He used to complain that he was the only one in the first 15 that had a pink collar. So, to sum up, I've written a poem. Just think, avoid the pink. Don't be naughty and wash at 40. Clothes are not dirty when you wash at 30. One part of the energy monitor is this smart plug. You can plug this into an electrical device to find out how much electricity it uses. Now, we used to have our smart plug attached to the kettle. That's the kettle there. Then the following day, we switched it to the washing machine. Now look how the washing machine uses electricity. The final spike is obviously the final spin. But look at that spike at the very beginning of the cycle. Now that is the washing machine heating the water, because modern washing machines take in cold water from the mains and heat it up to the temperature that you've set on the dial. So, if you set it to 40 degrees, it takes more electricity to heat to that temperature than if you set it to 30 degrees. Many of us think that to get clothes clean, we have to wash them as hot as possible. I can remember as a child, my mum, she literally used to boil wash things on the stove. She had this aluminium pan with these two handles, and she used to boil things clean. But fortunately, things have moved on since the 1960s. Washing machines have improved, and so has detergent, so that we can wash at lower temperatures to get clothes clean. Look at these here, they have this 30 degrees on. You can spend less money washing your clothes, because the washing machine doesn't have to heat the water up to a higher temperature. And look, the actual time it takes is less. That's to wash at 40 degrees, and that's to wash at 30 degrees, 5 minutes quicker. The poem. Just think, avoid the pink. Don't be naughty and wash at 40. Clothes are not dirty when you wash at 30.